Corrs. I would run away. I would run away. Yeah, yeah. I would run away. Run away. I have run away with you. I'm falling in love. I am never gonna stop falling in love with you. The Corrs, yes, yeah. Welcome to Musical World Music. Ayan, mag-unboxing tayo guys. Wow, malapit-lapit talaga ito matapos guys. Ngayon, mag-unboxing tayo. Ayan, konting pasilip. Ito guys, yung ating i-unboxing ngayon. Ito. Bubuksan natin ito ngayon. Plaka to guys. Ng The Corrs. Wow! Kadarating lang nito guys. So bubuksan natin. Ito ay ang debut album ng The Corrs. So mainit-init pa guys. So buksan na natin. So let's unboxing! Hindi pa tapos guys. Pero may mga nilagay na akong ibang konting plaka. Pero ito yung bubuksan natin ngayon. Yan. Kunin natin yung ating pambukas. Dito ko muna ililagay guys yung mga Funko Pop. Yan. May ginawa akong unboxing yan. Yan yung mga frame. Nakikita niyo ba Abba, Debbie, Britney, Madonna, True Blue. Yan yung kanyang official True Blue poster. Yan yung kanyang promotional poster guys. Yung I think third studio album, True Blue. And then Britney debut. And then Debbie, may pirma yan guys, sign. And ABBA. So buksan na natin to. Patiin muna natin ang ating musikanatics. Yan, kumusta kayo? Habang nagka-unboxing tayo, shout out. Yan. Buksan na natin guys. Madalian lang to guys. Hindi natin masyadong patatagalin. Ayan. Nagalagad, ito yung back cover. Ayan, sa side 1 mayroong Erin Shore. Ayan, traditional intro, instrumental. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang guys. Ayan, favorite ko guys dyan yan, Forgiven Not Forgotten. And Runaway. Ano pa ba maganda dito? Kasi wala dito yung ibang album naman siguro yun. I think second studio album nila yung mayroong Dreams. Ayan sila. Young. Wala dito yung So Young. Ito guys ay gatefold. Yes, gatefold siya. Ito yung front cover. Ito ay limited edition guys. Ayan, nakalagay. The Corrs, Forgiven Not Forgotten, limited edition, 100% recycled color, vinyl. Ayan. So, ito ay colored vinyl. It's fine. Buksan pa ba natin? O sige, buksan natin para sa ating mga musikanatics ng 18. Actually, Kaka-concert lang nila nung nakaraan sa Araneta, I think, or Mall of Asia Arena. Pakolek na lang guys. Yan si Andrea. And para sila guys, the Moffats and the Hansons. Ano sila, magkakapatid. Yan. Isang pamilya. Yan, tingnan natin yung plaka sa loob. Yung promotional sticker guys, i-keep natin yan guys. Keep natin and ibalik natin sa so may tanggalin natin. So buksan muna natin using this cutter. Yan. Mamaya guys, mabalik natin ulit ito. Lagay natin dyan. Ito ay gatefold edition. Yan. So kunin natin yung plaka sa loob. Kung anong kulay guys, kasi sabi color, di ba? Wala siyang booklet. So ito yung LP, yung pinaka-plaka niya. Kakaiba. Ganda guys. Yung close up natin. Sa kabilang side. Hindi ko ma-identify kung ano ito. Parang purple na may splatter na red, white, and blue. Na may gray. Yun. Sobrang ganda niya guys. Sa personal guys, sobrang ganda, promise. Yan. Colored vinyl limited edition. May nakita ko nito red. And parang transparent. Ito naman iba. Kasi recycle siya guys. So iba-iba talaga yung lalabas na color sa LP. Yan. So ito ang ating unboxing ngayon guys. The Corrs. Ito yung kanilang debut album. Release ito guys noong 90s. Yan. Pero pinakasikat nilang album yung Talk and Corners. On Corners. Yun ay nandun yung So Young, Runaway. Dito din yung Runaway. Pero doon kasama din yun. And kasama din yung ano ba yan? Isa sa mga revival nilang ginawa, Everybody Hurts. Parang ganun. Hindi ko nagkakamali. Yung Dreams, favorite ko doon sa album na yun. Sobrang ganda. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Pa-share na din dito ang ating unboxing video. So yun, nag-aayos pa ako guys ng room. Ng aking mini room dito sa aming Casa Clarita. So yun guys. Always be kind. Corrs. I would run away. I would run away. Yeah, yeah. I would run away. Run away. I have run away with you. I am never gonna stop falling in love with you. The Corrs. Yes. Thank you for watching.